Remove duplicate materials in Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Blender on your desktop and wait for the application to load completely. Once Blender has opened, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and O to access the file opening window. This command allows you to open a project that you have previously saved. After the file browser appears, locate your project file by navigating through the file trajectory shown in the browser. Move through the appropriate folders and directories until you reach the location where the project is stored. If manually browsing through folders takes too much time, you can use the search feature instead. Go to the search bar within the file browser and click or tap on it to activate it. Once the search field is selected, type the name of your project file carefully and wait for the matching results to appear. After finding the correct file in the results, select it by clicking on it once. With the file highlighted, move to the Open button in the file browser. Press the Open button to load the selected project into Blender. Allow the project a moment to open completely before continuing to the next step. After the project is loaded, make sure that there is already a duplicated mesh in the scene. This duplicated mesh is the object that needs to be removed. To locate it, go to the list of items displayed in the side panel. Carefully look through the item names until you find the mesh that includes a number in its name. In many cases, duplicated objects are automatically assigned a numbered name, making them easy to identify. Once you find the mesh with the number attached to its name, click on it to select it. Confirm that the correct duplicated mesh is highlighted before proceeding. Next, press the X key on your keyboard to initiate the delete command. Blender will ask for confirmation before permanently removing the selected object. Review the selection one final time to ensure that the duplicated mesh is the intended object to delete. Finally, confirm the deletion when prompted. The duplicated mesh will then be removed from your project successfully.